everyone out in lovely YouTube land. Welcome to my channel. I have a quick $1 haul for you guys. This was the second part of that other haul, which should be up. And I just got a better discount and I was able to buy their dollar specials twice if I place 2 orders. So I will show you what I got. Now, you might remember in the past these yoga mats, and I've hauled them. I really like them. They're a very high quality yoga mat. They're by Kess, and they're by Kess House. And this Live Artistically, these are 72 by 24 theme mats, and they have so many great themes. The other one I have has inspirational sayings on it, but you can see this one, and this has trees. It's really nice. They're really colorful trees, and I got those, but they have so many of them, and they're between like $9 and $10. You cannot beat a yoga mat of this quality for $9 and $10, and it even comes with a carrying bag, okay, with the strap and everything. It's orange. Mine's a little dusty on the outside, so I'm going to give it a wash. I didn't want to put it on my countertop, but it comes with a nice carrying bag with the mat. So amazing, amazing deal, great quality. And so check that out, because that's great for all kinds of floor exercise, or even if my boys want to do tumbles or stuff on the floor, that's always nice. Okay, then I wanted to check this out. I saw these frozen pendants. Now last year for the gift drive at school, I bought frozen watches, and they came in a really nice box, and they were very nice. So I picked this up. This is fine silver plated. Show you the back. And this is $1 from Frozen. So those would be great. I'll probably be ordering more of these to go into the gift drive with other things. And the other item that I got for $1, which I showed you, now those you could order as many as you want. That wasn't one of the special dollar items. That was just everyday dollar. With these marble dollars. And these will probably be going into the gift drive as well. These are Ant-Man. It's a very nice watch. Has a Velcro strap. And it comes in this nice little marble case. So that's great. Great deal. Especially if you like to make a lot of donations, put together gift packs and stuff. I had these wet detangling brushes, the mini ones, which are really good, and these were $2, so I picked up 2 of these. The other one is already over there, and it's a glittery, sparkly one. Very cute. Picked up these. It's not because of the team, but they're $1, and I always need pens, and I always lose pens, so this was an MLB licensed pen, so it's good quality, and then I don't have to really go out of my mind if I lose them for $1, right? These gift bags, Hallmark, 3 of the smaller size. Like I said, there's 5 in here. Let me see. 5 of these for $2. And Hallmark, you're not going to find that at the dollar store, and these are really cute and nice to have on hand for teachers' gifts and things like that. Pick those up. And then I picked up a set of these snowman inspired Wilton cupcake decorating combos, and these were $1. I picked up these highlighters. These were $1, I think. $1 or $2 at the most. Picked those up because my kids always need highlighters for school, and I bought some from Holler, I know, but picked up this metallic marker. These were $1. These are always good for the holidays if you're addressing cards and everything. And here's a gold one, $1. They're by American Crafts. And then I have another pack of the bags. What is this? Mini Boys Stainless Time Teacher Marvel. Oh, that's from the Marvel. Okay. Okay, and then last year, and I think they still have them, they're a little bit higher in price, I bought these Timberland gloves touchscreen technology, and they were really nice. And I saw they had this really nice Timberland hat, and my boys and my husband love these, especially when they're out doing the yard and everything. Very, very nice. This was, I believe, $9 or might have been $7. Has a clasp, so I know that they'll really like that. Pick that up. And then I wasn't sure exactly what these were or how big they were, but I'm really glad. Let me... Okay. So they're huge. And I thought they were wall decals, but they're not. They're large characters bulletin board set. But I still like them. They were only $5. I'll show you why I really like them. It's easy if you're... I'm artistic, but I'm much more artistic if I have something to go by. Now, if I can trace this, put there on my wall, and then follow along, I can paint this on a wall or, you know, something else. It has a bunch of different, it has thing 1 and thing 2 in here. I think there's like 3 different. Oh yeah, here's everything that's in there. Let me just slide this down a little bit so you can pull this up. There's everything that's in there. So I thought that was really great because up in my studio, I'm going to put a lot of kids' books and everything up there. And I just thought this would be really fun to have on there this Cat in the Hat theme. And I love Cat in the Hat, so does my husband. So yeah, I got this and I'm going to have some fun playing around with that. So that, yeah, that was $5. But that's that haul. All right, guys, and you know, I am going to have a few more videos up on playing around with my new GoPro. So I'm going to check it out in another setting today to see how it compares to the setting that I had in yesterday. And we want to take it away on a little vacation coming up here, which is really exciting, which I'll be showing you guys more of. And what else? Oh, and I'm going to do a demo of a Hoover spot cleaner type upholstery carpet cleaner. So that'll be good. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful day and living your best life. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.